In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a white flash in CapCut. A white flash is that quick burst of white you see at impact moments, transitions, or beat drops. It's simple, fast, and super effective at adding energy to your edit. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few practical tips so you get a clean, professional look without overdoing it. Start by opening CapCut. If you're on desktop or mobile, the process is the same in spirit. Launch the editor and get to your workspace. Create a new project if you need to, and make sure you're in the main timeline view so you can see your clip and the editing tools. Now add your video. Import the clip you want to work with and drag it onto the timeline. Scrub to the spot where you want the flash to happen, usually right on a cut, a punchy sound, or a visual impact. If you already know the beat or the moment you're aiming for, set your playhead there, so applying the effect is quick and accurate. Open the Effects panel. Look for the Effects option in the toolbar. This is where CapCut stores visual effects you can layer onto your footage. You'll typically see categories and a search field. Make sure you're in the section for video effects rather than body effects, since we're affecting the whole frame. In the search bar, type Flash. This filters the library so you only see flash-style effects. You'll usually find options like white flashes, camera flashes, or flash-in transitions. The names can vary, but they all create a brief burst of brightness that sells the moment. Choose an effect that gives you a clean white pop and apply it to the clip. Once it's on the timeline, position it right where the impact happens. Keep the duration short, often just a few frames to a quarter of a second, so it feels like a snap rather than a fade. If the effect lets you adjust intensity or brightness, dial it in so it's strong enough to be noticeable but not blinding. If there's a blend or opacity setting, a quick ramp up and down can make the flash feel more natural. Preview your work a few times. Fine-tune the timing so the brightest point lines up with the exact beat or action. Use flashes sparingly across your edit. One at each big moment is usually plenty. That's all you need to create a clean white flash in CapCut. Apply, trim, and balance the intensity, and your edit will instantly feel punchier and more polished.